ito experience ko, pandemic. It was already raging in the Philippines and everywhere in the world. Everybody was in need of a vaccine. America, which is a powerful country and whose manufacturing expertise cannot be questioned, at the know-how and everything, and we were begging na magpabili lang sila sa atin. Alam mo, during my time, or sinadya talaga nila kasi ayaw nila ako, hindi tayo nilang binigyan. At sinong pumunta sa atin? Without even asking. China. China was the first country to give us the vaccines libre. Walang hinuhay.
Bayad.
Wala. Basta naglanding yung aeroplano, I was informed that the vaccines are there. Pagkatapos niyan, wala na. So, ganun na lang yung utang na loob. Wala yung negotiation na may emissary from American Embassy or USAID magpunta doon. Chuchuba. Wala. Basta, bigay. China, bigay. Amerikano, pupunta dito. May mga USAID, may mga representative pa. Bla bla bla, bla 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 dito.